friends, welcome to the new vlog. Now you can see that I am wearing a blanket because of the cold. Due to cold, uh, due to cold weather, we have to wrap ourselves in a blanket. The amount of cold is slightly more in the morning. The train has not arrived yet, but it will arrive after some time. Now you can see I am on the railway platform. After some time the train is going to arrive, through which I will reach my destination. Destination. So I have reached my destination and my work is also completed. Like this new video will keep coming, subscribe the channel.